It's a traffic over here. Look, see, that's traffic. It's what we call traffic load, traffic overload. Yeah. Maybe this time making the love then we'll find. Maybe now we can devote and just friend. Shout out. I was in Russia for 11 months. Really? Where in Russia? So you work also in Russia, my friend? Oh, that's good. Russia. I was in Russia 11 months. Oh. Masville National High School. Moscow. Oh wow, Moscow. Moscow is a nice place. So you working there in Russia? You work there in Russia? Thank you so much for watching. 6 million viewers and 3 million likers on our live. So traffic overload. It's a traffic. Hindi na ako marunong mag-brake Lagi na sumusapsap yung ano. 10 million viewers. Thank you so much for watching. I got to know. I got the power. So you're working in Moscow, my friend? No, I'm the teenager. I just end school. Okay. So you're studying here in the Moscow? So are you a Filipino? Are you Filipino or Russian? Oh, come on. Much better if we stay here in a gasoline station and we will wait when the car is moving around. I wanna board and round and round, round and round, round and round. I run the bus, go round and round, go in the bus. Ow. It's a Filipino. Oh, very good. Filipino man dahil ka, sige makag-English dia, oy. Tagalog ra ta, mag-Bisaya ta ba? Bisaya lang ta, Bisaya. 3 million viewers. Now it's 11 million viewers. So thank you so much for watching. And now we are here at SMBF Homes. SMBF Homes Sukat. It's dangerous. I want the bus go round and round, round and round. I am just 15. Okay, so you're 15 years old. So you're also a blogger, right? You're a blogger also. Blogger, small content creator. It's dangerous.